Alexander Vasaki, the lady centre car of Alexander Vasaki. Second row from the back, the Gerard Lowe car. So for those of you that don't get down to Westkazelle and don't get down to Cape Waterwagen, have a look at the lady centre car. Derek, I hope that's not going to be a commentator's curse.
Everybody always says that. Nou, we'll wait and see as the flag falls. Hier kom ons nou. Maatjie van het Brabba. Wat voor wat sprong gaan inderdaad kan nou. Oh, dan komt die sukkel van Petrus Ferreira. Oh, Petrus Ferreira zo op die intrapslag. Dat is daar moeilijkheid. Daar lijkt hard te sukkel.
Unfortunately, she had to take evasive action with that one, and yeah, she decided to go over the mountain rather than to go through the car in front of her. AJ van der Merwe. In the VRT Outbacker, value cars W16 of Gerard Lowe. Out of Jong, starting at the back end of the pack. Bringing her up once again. On his outside, the special white on third row on the inside, David Ellis behind them, keep an eye on the two of them. What about Henk Weyers? Let's see what he can do. Here comes Montes. Oh, but Tessa gets all straight away and a flat left hand from tail for the special white on. I think she was and that's resulted in a flat. And I do think there's a reasonable possibility that suspension is bent as well, because I don't see any camera on that wheel. Probably 2 races from now. So Bonte's looking pretty good, Henk Weyers looking pretty good. William Gray had a pretty decent run up until that stage of the fight. Are we going back? Back to pits. There we go. Send them all back.